In this episode, we're going to discuss XRP and well-being. ETF, you're going to adore what we recently filed or released. I'm providing this information. We will look at the current relationship between Ripple and XRP, their efforts with Ripple and cross-border payments, and the market's potential size. You heard correctly, the BlackRock Ethereum ETF wallet just received almost 76,000 Ether. To top it all off, we're going to hear from a former Ripple employee right now. A BlackRock employee will contribute to the ETF. So, without further ado, take a seat back and unwind. Robbie Mitch's neck. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. The current value of 64.0 is 3.77% lower than it was a day ago. Currently trading at $3,161, Ethereum is declining. Both the USDT and the USDC are experiencing a return of 87%, while XRP is attempting to rally back up to the 61-cent area at its dollar pegs. Over the last 24 hours, the entire market capitalization of cryptocurrencies has decreased by approximately 4%, reaching $605. As expected, this market will be extremely turbulent and erratic. That is what we are witnessing, a packed week. We shall, so soon, be free from here. Ethereum ETF, sure, it works well in the long run. We knew there would be a price drop soon. Is Ethereum causing this? It is also contributing to the decline of the other cryptocurrency marketplaces. Your time is running out. It'll soon be the first of the month. Recall that you received what you currently own. You receive payment in XRP. There are 2 older males and 1 elder male. Only 2 or 3 females remain. There are still a few founder packages available. For that, you receive 15 points. Almighty D-list, true, they are somewhat pricey, but they are identical. Where will the world take you? Can you remember when we first started this project? Channel and the BIS would regularly release surveys, polling every nation or central bank globally, asking how many of you would be interested in using or developing virtual currency. Approximately 4 years ago, when the study first came out, 30% showed interest. After that, we observed a consistent increase in this percentage over the year. The percentage continued to rise, reaching a significant level. Every central bank is investigating digital currencies at 100%, and you can see how the world changes as time goes on and we transition from one financial system to another. SWIFT is enhancing its back-end and empowering all partnered banks to utilize blockchain networks, according to her statement. This podcast is enjoyable to listen to. At a clear junction, there is a new Ripple payment section. I think there is confusion about how quickly Bridge Plus can settle XRP, similar to what Mr. Garlinghouse tried to explain to the former CEO of Western Union when he resisted technology. Since roughly 2010, cryptocurrency has gained popularity, serving as an alternative to correspondent banking because it theoretically allows the transfer of any usable currency across international borders. You can exchange cryptocurrency for fiat in each jurisdiction and vice versa. In a matter of seconds, you can do it at any time of the day. You use computer systems 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you are aware of their affordability. The other technology appears to theoretically be comparable to the significantly lower cost of payments in local territories. It's important to note that this technology also makes increased security possible. This technology ensures complete traceability and recording of all data on the ledger, potentially tackling some of these issues. Data security addresses hacking and aids in fraud tracking. Connected deals, I believe you can easily recall an example from the market. RippleNet provides this type of solution using XRP. Having said that, I believe that one of the main obstacles preventing the widespread adoption of digital edge technology is the volatility of some of these crypto assets, whose prices can fluctuate drastically. This makes them risky and difficult for businesses, for example, to adopt. Stablecoins, tethered to a domestic currency, significantly reduce volatility, which I believe can be beneficial. I believe that by using these stablecoins, we can unlock digital technology. In reality, the impact is minimal when considering the volatility of the main European currency. However, if they're utilizing our services in some of the more isolated areas where volatility and local currency influence their unique implementation, this could serve as an intriguing approach to enhance their security. Yes, they are a partner on Ripple, however, they don't truly know how XRP works. In terms of volatility, an XRP settlement is less volatile than a fiat settlement, but don't worry, they'll eventually learn. At Mt. Gox, creditors pushed Bitcoin to the edge. To cold storage wallets for extended holding as opposed to selling. Recall all the Mt. Gox nonsense that we witnessed emerging? They will dispose of the markets. They are about to unleash a financial crash on us. This has been clear for the past 4 years, yet they have opted to store their Bitcoin in cold storage instead. I don't think the markets will collapse, people. We all know, with half a brain, that we are in a bull run and that prices will soon soar. I've seen a lot of these people on Twitter. The bull that swept Bitcoin's peak is now in altcoins. It won't return, right? No, please stop. The situation you are discussing is not that one. We're witnessing a complete parabolic rise in the Bitcoin price. In the coming year, we expect all other coins to follow suit, with Ethereum poised for significant growth. Don't heed the negative voices in the world today. They're attempting to remove you from your job once more. Dark-colored stones Ethereum ETF, although it receives 76,169 Ethereum from Coinbase users, that is very significant. What does that 277 million mean? Are we currently in your presence? You likely enjoy RIP, however, why is Ethereum becoming more expensive in the face of all this cash and ETF? Why is Ethereum becoming more expensive? Intentionally, they want you to quit your job and become their client. If you have the opportunity to purchase Ethereum at a price of approximately $2,800, and if the cryptocurrencies producers allow you to do so, you should consider doing so if the price of Ethereum drops. If the price of Ethereum drops even lower to, say, 24, you should consider doubling or tripling your investment because the EUM price will surpass 4,000 in Q3. When we fast forward to this time in 2025, the price should be roughly 4 to 5 times higher. You have $10,000 to work with. Despite their attempts to dissuade you, Ethereum takes this into account. They're going to cut these costs. With Bitcoin, we've observed the same phenomenon. This is not a new story. They are currently performing the same music and dance that we have witnessed, followed by this hash. They have submitted an S1 for using a shared space. The Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs claim that Hashed is moving forward with their application to combine Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs. Hashed recently filed an S1 with the US SEC Asset Management Company, hashtagging its files for the combined Ethereum and Bitcoin ETFs. Is that not the case? Here is the Hash N Crypto Index. Notice the recent addition. A hash has been added. I detest the term Ripple. They recently included the list available here, and it makes it rather clear which ETFs are arriving in what sequence. Okay, so we have the Ethereum ETF and the Bitcoin ETF. I have been telling you for a while now that we will get a Solana ETF, and that's exactly right. An XRP ETF will follow the Solana ETF. Will it happen this year? I'm not sure what I want. I personally hope it happens this year, but I also hope it happens next year. Since 2025 marks the beginning of XRP's power move and push-up, there is no cryptocurrency like XRP. As XRP executes its move, the ETF retests its XRP level before rising once more. You're looking for a parabolic XRP in the double digits. We must have all of this fantastic news. Of course, this is wonderful news, especially when we get to witness the journey to the moon. Given that people often ridicule us for being XRP holders, it's possible that we could all receive an XRP value exceeding $10. The remaining connections in the Cardano chain are referred to as keepers. Loncoin Avalanche, Polygon, Polkadot, are they going to get ETFs? Yes, I believe we will see a basket of ETFs, and for these tiny bottom feeders down below, similar to your PokeUni PAAC, I believe we have a basket of ETFs. I believe we have categorized all of them. All ETFs are heading towards a common destination. Without a doubt, ETFs and cryptocurrency will serve as a platform for introducing the broader public to the markets and facilitating the inflow and outflow of public and institutional money. Snips has highlighted these goals in the chart. That's precisely what I've been advocating. If the price rises above 66 cents, a push may occur. I would add, 75 cents would trigger us, about 77 cents. We should break the significant resistance at 75, as it is not likely to decline further. This is true, but it won't happen without a fight. XRP's current goal is 66 cents. 66 cents on XRP is what you should be focusing on, folks. The rest is merely background noise. At this point, the ups and downs in the market don't really matter because XRP will eventually make its mark.